Alright, this is the second part of the video, the pre-purchase. We're all the way out as far as we can for the city, or sorry, in the main line outside between the house and the meter. We're gonna, in the house and the city tap, we're gonna go ahead and pull back. It's PVC. There is Orangeburg here, so we're gonna have to locate this, and likely it might be under the foundation of the house because this is part of the add-on. Other than that, everything else of this house looks good, but this piece of pipe will need to be addressed. We're going to first show it, and then we're going to locate it. Alright, so you can see that's where the Orangeburg starts or ends. And then we're going to go to where it starts. It's a good amount, actually. Still Orangeburg, still Orangeburg, still Orangeburg, still Orangeburg. And that's where it ends. So we're going to go ahead and push forward again. And we're going to have to map out this section. Keep going right there. And this will conclude the video. Thanks for watching.